uh, the experience celebrating with the adoption and alternative child care program ng City of Baguio was wonderful. It was an awesome morning.
On behalf of the National Authority for Child Care and the Regional Alternative Child Care Office Cordillera, we would like to welcome you all po dito sa ating major event, the Bisikleta, a bike ride for a cause. Thank you po for the unwavering support po that you have extended to our advocacy, and we ask everyone po to help us spread the good news and hope for these children in need of permanent families po, because every child matters and that every child deserves to be loved.
Ang RACO po ay dating under ng DSWD, pero kami pa rin ay partner because nakikiisa pa rin kami sa pag-celebrate ng Adoption and Alternative Care Week every second week of June. So last year ginawa na natin ito, dati ang ating Regional Director si Ardileo Quintilla, ngayon second time na natin gawin ito, at maraming salamat sa suporta ng bawat isa at naging successful ulit yung ating celebration.
You know, tama-tama yung theme nitong event na to. Every child matters. There are 3 or 4 words I would like to emphasize when it comes to adoption. Una-una yung security, stability, opportunity, at higit sa lahat, yung love o pagmamahal ng isang pamilya. So I'm really glad that we have this program of NACO or NAC for that matter. Dahil napabilis.
And with my foster parent, I would like to share you this. Foster parenting is a noble and selfless act that can make a significant difference in the lives of vulnerable children, providing them with a sense of belongingness, security, and hope for the future. And with that, maraming salamat po. God bless us.
Sa mga gustong mag-adopt, mas magandang sa legal natin na paraan na kuan, kasi kawawa naman yung kuan kung sakaling sa hindi sa legal na paraan natin siya kinuha. Yung future rin ng bata ang kuan mahirap rin yung biglang kuan, bigla na lang kukunin dahil hindi na dumaan sa tamang paraan yung pagpa-adopt. So yun lang yung may i-share ko naman dito. So thank you.
Sasaya, wag ka
Kaya isipin mong tayo sama-sama.